Hello, my name is Jay, and, and his name is Mr. And we just renovated our kitchen and bathroom and pantry with Chapter. We bought the house, I guess it was 1999 when we bought. It never felt great to come home, you know, even though I loved everybody in the house itself wasn't being loved, and it wasn't given any love back either. So finally, like, all my miseries centered in the kitchen. The refrigerator was like old, and we were holding it together with duct tape. Everything was falling apart. And I thought that if we ever are going to do anything to the house, the time is now, because the kids are almost gone and the kitchen is almost gone too, you know. So my husband said, okay, go ahead, start. And I was like, what do I do? I found an app. You know, everything starts with an app these days. Found an app, and they said, well, here are a bunch of kitchens. They showed me about 50 kitchen pictures and said, just pick some that you like. And I did, and they came back to me and said that a majority of the ones I had picked were done by Chapter. I said, well, it sounds like we're going to get in touch with those people. You were the ones who convinced me that, you know, I was going to be safe, I was going to stay in my budget, and I was going to love what I got as a result. So, you know, and off we went from there. I love Chapter. Chapter made me feel like I didn't have anything to worry about. Like they were going to stand between me and any anxiety. And being an anxiety-ridden Brooklynite, I was concerned about that. I thought, what if I don't understand? What if I don't have choices? What if I don't feel like I don't know, what if I just don't feel like I'm getting what I want? Roman and I looked at colors together, and I couldn't believe it. I was like, I think that's it, I think that's it, I think that's it. And we finally, he has more color knowledge than I do. We finally nailed it down, and that is it. That's the color. It's the color up here. This is the kitchen I pictured. It's exactly the color. I'd recommend you to everybody I know. Anybody who's looking is welcome to sit and talk with me, because I'll chew their ear off about how great this experience has been. Seriously.